What's happening, people? Welcome back to the Sound Design channel. My name is La, and today we're going to continue on with our Foundations series, and today we're going to make some nice ear candy kind of pad effect to complement the things that we have already in the track. So let's get started. So you just set up a return channel, so by pressing Control, Alt and T. So we have this fresh return, just turn that one off. And then what we want to do is just get a nice big reverb, and you kind of get some like ear candy effects. So you can get things like a filter delay, which is nice, essentially just like a delay, or an echo as well. And you can stack these things up. You can even get like a saturation on here and go a bit crazy, and then a nice reverb. And I think, yeah, we'll just use the standard reverb here. Cool. So with these, you normally on a return channel, you want them to be 100% wet, but you kind of need to find a balance between the amounts that you put here, because otherwise you're going to just, say if you have too much reverb, you just kind of drown out all this other effects that you've got in here. Too much saturation, and it's just going to be too loud and overdo it, and just like, yeah, it's kind of going to destroy what you're doing. So you just want a little balance of each. So I think we're going to have like a little bit of this, a little bit of drive here. Reverb I'll come back to, and then the echo maybe 50%. With this echo unit's really good because it also has reverb built into it, so you could even get away with not having the reverb there and just using this one. But yeah, we're just going to leave it on for now. And then with this one, we'll just take down the dry signal, so we're just completely getting the wet signal through, and then we'll just have the left and right delay being used, and we'll just get this kind of like top part. What we're going to do is send through this ARP through this sound, and it's just going to go through all these effects. And what we want is something that isn't clearly still the pluck. We want something that sounds like almost something new, but obviously it will still have the same kind of notes and harmony in there. And that way we can have something that's kind of sitting in the background and is kind of telling the story of the ARP without the ARP actually being there yet. So what we do is we just send through to this filter delay, so the fourth one here, all the way at 100%, or you can kind of mess around with the amount. And then with this, we want to record from the filter delay. So you just click this drop down arrow, and then you go to the thing that you want to record from into an audio channel. Press arm, so you arm the channel, and then we just have a listen, or we record. And you can mess around with these amounts. Alright, so you get some really cool effects. So let's have a little listen to this. I'll just take it off the recording so it's not sending from there at the same time. So for me, I really like this part, because for this, it's a little bit too similar to just the original ARP, but with a bit of delay on. So this is just like the saturation and reverb being pushed a little bit, and we can keep this. So say if you had this at the start of the track, and you could have it play through the rest of it as well, but we have this at the start of the track, say with just some light drums. Oh. Help if I didn't solo it. Right, so you get this really cool sound effect in the background. It's actually pretty easy to do in a way. Once you just get used to the routing, and you just put on a bunch of effects, you can go crazy, get your favorite external plugins on there and just mess around with the parameters. And you could put anything through here. Like you could put the drums through this same effects chain and then record that, and you'll have some cool like drum fill things that you can play around with as well. I've been doing this for the last few years, and it's just really good way of using what you already have in the track to create more sounds. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for our ear candy effect video. I hope this was helpful. If it was, let us know in the comments. Also, let me know what you would like me to cover next. Maybe I could do like an additional lead, show you some arrangement, show you some drum programming or something like that. Just let us know in the comments and I will try to cover them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Diva presets. You can browse by the genre and style you are looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Diva preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.